In today's video, we're looking at the sequence control structure, and we'll be using the Pascal programming language to show its implementation. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to type the word program. Then I'm going to give my program a suitable name. What we're doing in today's video will be adding three numbers, right, that the user will input. So we're going to say addition underscore of underscore three underscore numbers. All right, then we're going to declare our variables. So we're going to say num1, comma, num2, comma, num3, comma, sum. And these will be integer data type. All right, so we're going to type the word begin. And we're going to set num1 to 0. We're going to set num2 to 0 also. We're going to set num3 to 0. And we're going to set sum to 0. All right, so we're going to type write ln. Please enter the first number then we're going to read ln num1. Then we're going to type the word write ln. Please enter the second number. Read ln num2. Write ln please enter the third number. Read ln num3. Write ln then sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. Write ln the sum of the numbers entered is sum. Read ln end. All right, let us compile the program now to see. I'm gonna save addition. I'm gonna save it as addition of three numbers entered. All right, we have one error. Let us see. All right, we need a semicolon here. Gonna compile. All right, successfully compiled. So we're gonna press this button that says execute. All right, it says please enter the first number. So we're gonna enter 10, enter 11, 31, and there it is. It says the sum of the numbers entered is 52. So this is an example of a sequence control structure. And what it is doing, it is starting at line 1 and it is just executing these lines of code sequentially going from line 1 going down to line 24. So this is an example of a sequence control structure in programming. And if we try it again, we enter 1, 2, 3. The sum of the numbers entered is 6.